Good morning, folks. I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the entire portfolio breakdown of my self-directed stock portfolio managed through Ally. We're going to be looking back on June 2025, how the portfolio is performing, how I reinvested my dividends, what dividends we earned, and my goals and statistics at the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right. So first thing we're going to take a look at portfolio value. We ended the month of June with my portfolio valued at $42,405.23. That is a 3.08% increase in market value, or a gain of $1,268.19. That brings us to a positive gain of $2,463.73. Market value increase of 6.22% so far this year. 6 months into it, 2 bad months, 4 good months, 2 really good months, I should say. And I think that really reflects here. Started out 2025 with it valued at $39,941. Jump, down, jump, big jump. So this is the highest that we've been all year. Happy to see that. Let's go ahead and take a look-see at my strategy and what dividends and companies I reinvested money into. We ended the month of May with my portfolio broken down like this. We have the different sectors, we have the different values of those sectors as far as total money, and then we have my target amount of what I want percentage based wise, and that equals the total dividends that we would get from those different sectors. So we know, looking at it, real estate and bonds were low and what I really wanted to focus on. And I did that to a certain extent. I purchased 1 share of ticker symbol BNDX, which is the Bond International ETF Fund, and then 1 share of Pfizer, which is healthcare, which is also a low guy on that thing. So I brought that up. So I bought BNDX for $37 and 1 share of Pfizer for $22.65. So I spent a total of just shy of $60 reinvesting. And that leaves us over here, the breakdown going into July. So we see a big increase in all of the values because the stock portfolio increased a lot. So that's the same across the board, but we're still seeing that real estate is down. It actually dropped even more. So we were at $5,615 value. Now we dropped down to $5,527 value. It's still at 13% where I want it to be 15% because it is my highest dividend earner. So we're going to look at reinvesting in real estate going into July. And same with bonds and ETFs. We're at 1.1%, a little bit more than we were last month, but getting pretty low there. So we're going to want to reinvest that. And we're going to want to take a look-see at healthcare as well. All of those are good ones. But we can see the total dividend yield increase from $1,353 to $1,363. And that's 55. I can't talk. So about an $8 increase in dividend yield just from market value increases, dividend yield increases, and purchasing new shares of stock. Let's go ahead and take a look-see at the total combined dividends that I earned for the month of June. All right, so we can see we had a pretty good month here, coming in at $116.54. A little bit on the higher side. We had our low month, so we'll probably have another high month in July, which I am excited about. Total dividends for the year, $646.75. Doing pretty good there. Let's take a look at it from a quarter basis, because this gives us the triple effect, but a quarter gives us a pretty even guide, and we just finished out quarter number 2, 2025. So we started this back in 2021, tracking dividends all the way when we were getting $215 a quarter, all the way up now where we made $332.10 for the second quarter of 2025. We are up from quarter 1, and we still have not beat the highest right here. Quarter 2 2024 was $335. So we're really close on that, and about to exceed total market value that we've ever had in this portfolio. But that is dividends. Let's go ahead and take a look at the individual dividends that made up this $116.54. All right, dividend number 1 coming in on the 2nd of June is ticker symbol ENB, which is Enbridge. We earned $2.34 from the 4 shares that I own. Average price for these shares was $32.87 a piece, and they are now valued at $45.32 a piece. So a total gain of about $50 there. This is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that Canadian tax come out 15%, courtesy of my brokerage account. Dividend number 2 coming in on the 2nd of June is ticker symbol PSX, which is Phillips 66. We earned $3.60 from the 3 shares that I own. Average purchase price $62.70. Current price $119.30, and this is based on the end of June going into July. We are positive $169.80, and this company went ahead and increased their dividend 5 cents from $1.15 a share to $1.20 a share, so I am happy to see that. Dividend number 3 coming in again on the 2nd of June is ticker symbol Visa. We earned $1.77 from the 3 shares that I own. Average purchase price $203.15. Current price is $355.05, meaning we are up over $455 in these shares. And this company is a bigger one in my portfolio, coming in at 2.5%, when average is about 1 to 1.5%. So doing pretty good there. Dividend number 4 coming in on the 4th of June is ticker symbol BNDX, the ETF. We earned 32 cents from the 4 shares that I owned at the time of the dividend. Average purchase price is $50.70. Price right now is $49.54. So we are down about $4.50 in this position. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 5th of June is ticker symbol CMI, which is Cummins Incorporated. We earned $1.82 from the 1 share that I own. We bought it for $213.51. It is valued at $327.50 now, for a gain of $113.99. Dividend number 6 coming in on the 6th of June is ticker symbol AMGN. We earned $2.38 from the 1 share that I own. We purchased it for $244.59, and it is now valued at $279.21, meaning a market value increase of $34.62. So not too bad there. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 6th of June is ticker symbol SO, which is Southern Company. We earned $11.10 from the 5 shares that I own. Average purchase price is $60.71 a share, bumped up to current price $91.83 for a gain of $466.80. And this is a bigger company in my portfolio, coming in at 3.2%. And they increased their dividend from 72 cents a share to 74 cents a share, so a 2-cent increase. Dividend number 8 coming in on the 9th of June is ticker symbol LYB for $2.74 for the 2 shares that I own. Average purchase price is $62.86. Current price $57.86, so a loss of about $10. But they went ahead and increased their dividend 3 cents from $1.34 to $1.37 a share. Dividend number 9 coming in on the 10th of June is ticker symbol CVX, which is Chevron Corporation. We earned $1.71 from the 1 share I own. We bought it for $90.35. It's valued $143.19 now, for a gain of $52.84. Dividend number 10 coming in on the 10th of June is ticker symbol J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson. We earned $2.60 from the 2 shares that I own. Average purchase price $156.64. Current price $152.74, so a slight drop of about $7.50. But they did increase their dividend 6 cents from $1.24 a share to $1.30 a share. Dividend number 11 coming in on the 12th of June is ticker symbol CNP, which is CenterPoint Energy Incorporated. We earned $6.38 from the 29 shares that I own. Average purchase price $21.23. Current price $36.74. So we're up just shy of $450. And this company does come in at 2.5% of my entire portfolio breakdown. Dividend number 12 coming in on the 12th of June is ticker symbol MSFT, which is Microsoft. We earned 83 cents from the 1 share that I own. We purchased it for $227.10, and it is now valued at $497.41. So we saw an increase of $270.31 there. Dividend number 13 coming in on the 13th of June is ticker symbol KEY. We earned $3.08 from the 15 shares that I own. Average price $12.31 a share. Current price $17.42 a share, so we saw a total gain of $76.65 from those 15 shares. Dividend number 14 coming in on the 13th of June is ticker symbol O, Realty Income Corporation, one of our monthly dividend earners. We earned $2.95 from the 11 shares that I own. Average purchase price $61.06. Current price $57.61, so we're at a loss of just shy of $38. Dividend number 15 coming in on the 13th of June is ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer. We just reinvested. So we earned $2.15 from there. We have 7 shares from them. Average purchase price is now $30.64 a pop. Current price $24.24. So we've lost $44.80 since we purchased these stocks. But I'm still reinvesting because they're still paying out dividends, so it's still good. Dividend number 16 coming in on the 16th of June is ticker symbol DUK, which is Duke Energy Corporation. We earned $2.09 from the 2 shares that I own. Average purchase price is $86.83. Current price $118, meaning we are up $62.34. Dividend number 17 coming in again on the 16th of June is ticker symbol NEE, which is Nextory Energy Incorporated. We earned $3.90 from the 7 shares that I own. Average purchase price is $75.09. Current price $69.50, so we're down about $39.50 in this position. Dividend number 18, the last one coming in on the 16th of June, is ticker symbol STAG. We earned 99 cents from the 8 shares that I own. Average purchase price $36.74. Current price $36.28, so we've lost about $3.50 in this position over time. Dividend number 19 coming on the 18th of June is ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot. We earned $2.30 from the 1 share that I own. We bought it for $285.86. It is now valued at $366.64. So we are seeing a positive gain of $80.78 in market value. Dividend number 20 coming in on the 20th of June. Ticker symbol D, which is Dominion Energy. We earned $2.67 from the 4 shares that I own. We purchased these shares for $60.13 a pop. Right now it's valued at $56.52. So we're down about $14.50 in this position, but right around that average price. Dividend number 21 coming in again on the 20th of June is ticker symbol FLO, which is Flowers Food Incorporated. We earned $1.24 from the 5 shares that I own. Average purchase price $24.50. Current price $15.98. Which is a pretty big drop, but we're only down $42.60 in this position. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from 24 cents a share to 24 3/3 of a penny, because numbers are hard. You can read it. Dividend number 22 coming on the 24th of June is ticker symbol UNH, which is the United Healthcare Group. We earned $6.63 from the 3 shares that I own. The average purchase price of these, $324.51. Current price, $311.97. So we're down about $37.50 in this position. But it is a bigger one, coming at 2.2% of my entire portfolio. And they increased it even 11 cents, from $2.10 to $2.21. So pretty good jump there. Dividend number 23 coming in on the 26th of June is ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy Incorporated. We're in $5.33 from the 15 shares that we own. We bought these shares for about $15.50 a piece. They're now valued at $37.45 a piece. So we're seeing a total increase of $329.25 in market value. However, this is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that Canadian tax come out of the dividend yield. Dividend number 24 coming in on the 27th of June is ticker symbol BAC, Bank of America. We're at $8.06 from the 31 shares that I own. Average purchase price $32.36. Current price $47.32, meaning we are positive $463.76. And it comes in about 3.5% of my entire portfolio breakdown, so pretty big fish compared to the other ones. Dividend number 25 coming in on the 27th of June is ticker symbol KHC, which is Kraft Heinz Company. We're in $3.20 from the 8 shares that I own. Average purchase price $33.88. Total price right now $25.82. So we have lost about $64 in this position. Dividend number 26 coming in on the 27th of June is ticker symbol LMT, which is Lockheed Martin Corporation. We're in $3.30 from the 1 share that I own. We purchased it for $391.51. It is now valued at $463.14. So we've seen an increase of $71.63. Dividend number 27 coming in again on the 27th of June is ticker symbol TROW. We're We earned $3.81 from the 3 shares that I own. Average purchase price, $136, almost $137. Current price, $96.50 for a total loss of $121.35 total. Dividend number 28 coming in on the 30th of June, ticker symbol AVGO. We earned $10.62 from the 18 shares that I own. Average purchase price, $40.98 a share, almost $41. Current price, $275.21. We have seen a market value increase of $4,216.14. And I think this is the biggest company in my portfolio right now, coming in at 11.7%, beating out Apple. So it is a very big piece of my puzzle and huge market increases in that one. But moving right along, dividend number 29 coming in on the 30th of June, ticker symbol CCI, Crown Castle Incorporated. Earned $5.31 from the 5 shares that I own. Purchase price $129.60. Current price $102.73 for a loss of about $134. And bad news, they're down a lot, and they decreased their dividend from $156.50 to $1.06.25. So we're seeing a loss of 50 cents in their dividend. So we're going to need to reevaluate this company, do a deep dive, make sure that we're on the right page, and we still want them in our portfolio in the future. But today we're finishing out this video. Dividend number 30 coming in on the 30th of June, ticker symbol EFC, one of our monthly ones. We earned $7.15 from the 55 shares that I own. Average purchase price $18.13. Current price $12.99. So we've lost just shy of $283. Dividend number 31 coming in again on the 30th of June, ticker symbol LTC, another monthly dividend earner. Earned $1.90 from the 10 shares that I own. Average purchase price $37.52. Price right now $34.61, so a loss of about $29. And then dividend number 232, the last dividend for the month of June, ticker symbol TRV, the Travelers Companies. We earned $2.20 from the 2 shares that I own. Average price $140.37. Current price $267.54. So we're seeing a jump in market value of $254.34 from these 2 shares. And they went ahead and increased their dividend 5 cents from $1.05 a share to $1.10 a share. So nice jump in dividend there to kind of counteract the 50-cent loss from CCI. But that's neither here nor there right now. Let's go ahead and take all of these 32 dividends and kind of see how they impact the overall longevity of the portfolio, the statistics, and my goals. So, ending out June, our dividend yield decreased to 3.22%. We got it up to 3.34, and it's dipped down the last couple months. We're going to fix that, or work really hard on getting that back up to 4%, because that is our goal for it. Per year, that's $13,063.53 in dividend income. Per month, that's $113.63. Per week, that is $26.22. Per day, that is $3.74 a day in passive dividend income, just coming in every single day, regardless whether I work on it or not. Per hour, that is 15 6/10 cents. Per minute, that's 3/10 of a penny. And then if we were to compare it to an average 40-hour work week, we'd be making 65 6/10 cents per hour. I like that we can see the dividend average per day kind of increase over time. It's a really good one that I like to watch. 360 coming into the year to 374, so a 14-cent increase in daily dividend earnings from the stock portfolio, which is phenomenal. Let's go ahead and see how this impacts the goals that I'm chasing for this year and for the longevity of this portfolio. Portfolio value. We ended it month of June, halfway through the year, $42,405.23. I want it to hit $44,750 at the end of the year. Is it going to hit it? We're going to have to wait and see. We might be in. If the market trend continues, we might get lucky on this one. Total dividends for the year $646.75. We're trying to earn $1,400, which is, another $753.25. So we have to outperform the next 6 months to make up for this little for the little amount that we're behind on that one, but there's a good chance on it. We reached $113.63 in monthly dividend, so we've accomplished that goal for the year, and then $3.74 a day in dividend income, so way over what we wanted is $3.62 there. So for 2025, we've hit 2 of our goals. We're on the way to hitting a third and potentially all of them. As far as long-term goals, we want to hit that $600,000 mark. We're at $42,000. We got a long way to go. We're chasing this 4% annual dividend return. Right now we're at 3.22%, so we need to reinvest more in finance and real estate because those are our biggest dividend earners. And eventually we're at $2,000 a month in average dividend income, which would be $65.75 a day on average in passive dividend income just for having the stock portfolio. But we can see the breakdown here. We've got a long way to go to hit all of those, and especially the stock portfolio. $2,000, $65.75 a day. That being said, I think we are off to a phenomenal month, a phenomenal year. I'm excited to see what the next 2 quarters bring, and if we can hit this $1,400 in total dividends for the year, which I would absolutely love. It's really exciting, and I'm loving having this portfolio and being able to share it with you and kind of bring you along on this journey as we try and chase down these lofty goals. But I'm going to leave it here, folks, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.